Ever wake up and feel like your life has no traction? Your brain is spinning, your body's frozen, and no matter how much you plan, you're not lazy, you're just stuck. And here's why. Most days start the same when you're stuck in the loop. You wake up already behind. You grab your phone, scroll to numb the noise. You think of 5 things you should do. Then comes the guilt, the mental, why can't I just do it? You promise yourself tomorrow will be different, but tomorrow's just another copy of today. And slowly, that guilt, it turns into identity. You don't even trust yourself to try anymore. It's not your fault, but it is your responsibility. You don't need a big plan. You need a small start. Here's how you escape the loop. Not by fixing everything, but by starting smaller than you think. Step 1. Name it. Say it out loud. I feel stuck. I feel lost. But I want to come back to myself. Step 2. Start a 3-minute timer. That's it. 3 minutes. Write 1 sentence. Stretch. Say, I'm still here. That's the win. Step 3. Track your proof of life. Every time you show up, even 1%, log it. POL. Day 1. Day 2. You're not chasing perfection, you're rebuilding trust. It doesn't matter how slow it is. Slow means you're still moving. If this hit home, comment POL Day 1 below. Let's make this the day you start again. You're not broken, you're just stuck. And this is the start of you coming back. Subscribe if you're ready to rebuild, one proof of life at a time.